Hello, Namaste. You all are welcomed in virtual class run by Ann Pepson Kaski. It's me, Dinesh Jha. Today I am going to discuss about commission and tax of class 9. Class 9 compulsory math. Class 9 compulsory math. You all were, you all are aware about the commission. What is the commission? And what the meaning of these terms? Simply, a businessman, you can see at the board some charts, some figures here. Here is the business, and in the business, one seller, other buyer. One who sold, other who bought. But sometimes, in some cases, or generally, an agent who plays a role in the middle to management between seller and the buyer. By doing that, agent gets some percentage of total sales, and that is the commissions. Okay, what is the commission? A person involved in selling goods or worked as a middle man in selling and buying or renting things gets the percentage value of the total sales. Mean if a person who worked as in the middle in the business between buyer and the seller, okay, he get some values of the total sales, as that some values is known as the commission. Okay, कुनै पनि बिजनेसमा के हुन्छ त, एउटाले सोल्ड गर्छ, अर्कोले बाई गर्छ, एउटाले किन्छ, अर्कोले बेच्छ. अब कहिलेकाहीँ के हुन्छ भने चाहिँ कुनै बिजनेसम्यान सेल्सम्यान्सहरूले के गर्छ त, त्यो सामानलाई बेच्छ. त्यो सामानलाई बेचे भए तिनीहरूले के गर्छ, सम पर्सेन्टेज अफ जति उसले कारोबार गर्यो त्यसको केही भाग उसले के गर्छ त, 2% 3% सम पर्सेन्टेज के गर्छ त उसले पाउँछ है. बेसिक स्यालेरीमा सम पर्सेन्टेज अफ द टोटल सेल्स इज एडेड, एन्ड that extra percentage value of the total sale is called the commissions. Okay, you can see at the board in the business, one seller, one buyer, other agents or broker. Agents or broker that plays the middle role between seller and buyer, or that banks that sells some goods, that renting and management the goods between seller and the buyer, and he he get some values, some percentage value of the total sales, and that is the commission. That is the commission. So basically, commission is totally depend on the total sales or commission. Okay, commission is calculated as certain percentage of total sales. So by a agent who sells more amount and make good values of total sales, then he get more percentage of the commissions. Okay, you can hear in your daily life that Mr. Yadav is a salesman. His basic salary is 5,000 and he get 5% of the total sales. That means his basic salary is 5,000 no matter he sells goods or not. If he appointed for that job, his minimum charge is 5,000. Later on, he sells the goods, and how much he sells, total sales, some percentage of total sales he would get later, and that is the commission amount. So total gross income of Mr. Yadav is basic salary plus the commission amount. Basic salary gross income is equal to basic salary plus commission amount. Basic salary plus commission amount. Okay. The main thing is what the rate of commission amount. So commission amount is totally depend upon the total sales. So you can formulate rate of commission. You are going to formulate the rate of commission. So in the numerator you have to write amount of commission. Commission amount, and in the denominator, on which factor that the commission depend, on which factor that determine the commission, obviously commission is determined by the total sales. So in the denominator, total sales, that is total SP. We can say that total SP, that is selling price, okay, multiply by 100, that give us commission percentage or rate of the commission percentage or rate of the commission. Okay, once again, what is a commission? What do you understand by meaning of a commission? And what is the commission? Commission is some percentage value of the total sales that a middleman between seller and buyer get by selling the goods. Okay, later on discussed about, and you can formulate the rate of commissions, and very easy to formulate anything in the percentage, that in the numerator you have to write that what percentage, what quantity, what percentage of the quantity that you are going to determine. Okay, so in the numerator you are going to determine, you are going to calculate, or you are going to formulate the rate of commission. So in the numerator you have to write amount of the commission, okay, and in the denominator you have to write on which factor or on which things that determine the commission. So obviously total sales is determined the commission, as the commission is the certain percentage value of the total sales. Okay, so you can formulate easily rate of commission is equal to commission amount upon total sales multiplied by 100. So my dear students, I hope you all are cleared about the commissions, and you can formulate rate of commissions in very easy way. Okay, I am going through the content about the commission. Okay, so our first questions about commissions is, I am going to write on the board here. Question number 1, descriptions is house, that buying or selling of house. Okay, house, then after selling price of that house is 1 crore 25 lakh, and the rate of commission is 3%. Rate of commission is 3%. And we have to ask question is said that we have to calculate the value of commission amount and the net price after the commission. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find one number commission amount, one number commission amount, commission amount, commission amount is equal to what? Later on we will have to find. Okay, and the net price after the commission, net price after commission. I hope you all read the question first very carefully, okay, and use the concept of the commissions. Okay, our question is descriptions that goods or things or articles, selling price means sold price, and commission rate, that is 3%. If one agent sold a house in 1,25 lakh, then he would get 3% of the total sales. That is 3% of the total sale is the commission amount. Okay. Here, okay, here what percentage? Commission rate. We know that commission rate is equal to commission amount upon total sale, that is SP multiply by 100. Okay, commission rate is 3. Commission rate is given as 3 and commission amount is calculated. We have to calculate commission amount. Total SP is 1,25 lakh into 100. Okay, so 20 is got. Here commission amount is equal to 3 multiply 1. Okay, that is equal to RS 3,75,000. So commission amount is 3,75,000. Okay, that is our the initial answer. First answer, what is the commission amount that a salesman got? The salesman got 3,75,000. Then after, question is asked that what's the net price after the commission? That is, what the price that owner get? Owner get the price, that is total SP, good, that is total SP, but from it some amount is deducted because owner gave the 3% commission of the salesman, and that commission amount should be subtracted or deducted, and finally the remaining amount will get by owner. So net price after the commission, net price after commission, net price after commission is equal to total SP minus commission amount, total SP minus commission amount, SP minus commission amount. So your SP is 1,25,00,000 minus 3,75,000, that is 1 2 1. Okay, 1 crore 21 lakh 25,000, that amount will get by commission. So net price after commission that got by owner is 1 crore 21 lakh 25,000. Okay, I am going to discuss another questions that is very important. I am going through the content. Okay, I hope you all are cleared about it, that questions. And the question is, here's descriptions house, that means house is being sold, selling price 1 crore 25 lakh is given, and commission rate also given as 3%, and we have to find commission amount is what, net price after the commission is what. Okay, so we know that commission rate is the commission amount upon SP into 100, and here commission rate is given, commission amount we have to calculate, and SP is 1 crore 25 lakh. Okay, so here 0 zeros are cut. Here it is in the divide form, and here it is in the multiply form because it changed its side. Okay, so multiply 3,75,000 is the commission amount, and net price after commission, that is the price that owner gets after being sold the houses. Okay, so what price that owner got? Owner got only dot price. Total SP subtracted, from total SP commission amount is subtracted, and the remaining price is got by, remaining price is get by owners. Okay, I hope you all understand. Salesman's amount to 12,000, find the commission amount. Very easy question. Okay, first here trying to understand the given in the questions. Givens are rate of commissions is given, rate of commission is 8%. Okay, and the total sales SP is equal to RS 12,000. What is the commission amount? What is the commission amount? Commission amount is asked, and we have to determine the commission amount. Commission amount is what? We have rate of commission is 8% and the total sales is 12,000. So you can easily calculate the commission amount by using formula rate of commission. Previous questions and this question is very similar. Rate of commission is equal to commission amount upon total sale, that is SP multiply by 100%, isn't it? Yes, our formula of rate of commission is commission amount upon total sales multiply by 100. Rate of commission is 8%, that is 8 is equal to commission amount that we have to find, commission amount upon total sale, that is 12,000 multiplied by 100. So 2 zeros as cut. So commission, therefore commission amount is equal to 8 multiplied by 120, that is 960, that is 960 is the commission amount of the salesman. So therefore commission amount that get by salesman is Rs 9060 is our answer. Okay, therefore it's very easy questions if you trying to understand the concept of the commissions, and only that you remind that commission is totally depend on commission is recount at total sales. Okay.